Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious, perfect for your holiday table, loaded mashed potatoes. So cheesy, so bacony, and just delicious. So let's get into it. These are some of the ingredients that you'll need. As I go along, I'll show you the things that we'll be using. I have bacon, chive and onion cream cheese for that extra pop of flavor, and of course the cheese, some chives, and the potatoes. Use the potatoes you prefer. Now I cook my potatoes in cool water because I feel like it's faster that way. By the time it comes up to a boil, 5 minutes later your potatoes are done. 5 to 10 minutes, versus putting them in while it's boiling. And so you want to also salt your water. Potatoes don't come seasoned. While that's going to this pot, you're going to add your butter and half. That's going to be the liquid that you're going to put in your mashed potatoes. So you want to get that nice and warmed. These are the toppings. I have the cream cheese, the sour cream, the chives, and the bacon. And all of that is going to go all up in the potato, okay? Once your potatoes are cooked, you're going to add a healthy helping of the sour cream as well as the chive and onion cream cheese. You're going to add that half and butter mixture, and you're just going to smash, okay? This is also a very quick recipe. It's not something you're going to be in the kitchen all day. You get it going and you're done. Once I get it nice and smashed, if I don't like the consistency, I keep adding the milk and the butter mixture. You don't add it all at once, you will ruin it. Once that's done, I add my chives down in here because it's the consistency that I prefer. Make sure it's the consistency that you prefer your mashed potatoes to be. And now I'm going to season it up with a little black pepper and some of this jalapeno powder, which is like one of my favorite condiments, spices in my cabinet. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy and delicious, and it looks good. If you want it thinner, add some more butter and half, and you're good to go. Like I said, excuse my voice if it's chipping in and out. So now this is me trying it. I wanted to show y'all the consistency as well as, I tried it. It was delicious. And now I'm going to layer it into my pan. Whatever pan you want to use, just layer it, y'all. So I'm going to put my potato down here. I'm going to add some pats of butter to keep everything nice and moist and loosey-goosey while it's in the oven. You don't want it to, dry out too much. And then I'm also going to add a layer of cheese. You can use the cheese you prefer. I went with Colby Jack, kept it simple. Now I'm going to add some of my bacon down in here. Hindsight, I wish I put less bacon, child, because literally, I think it's because I wasn't feeling good, y'all. I just wanted to get through this video this day. It was such a mess. And now you're going to add the rest of the potatoes right over top. That was a lot of bacon. But listen, it's for the holiday table, okay? We don't make this every day at all, okay? So now you're going to add some more butter over top. All right, so next you're going to add some more cheese over top. You're going to pop this into a 375-degree oven, by the way. Make sure it's nice and hot and preheated. And once I add the cheese, I'm going to add some more bacon on top. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Pretty much you're just melting cheese. And that's it. You're not cooking anything. You want everything to be melted, bubbly, and golden. When it comes out, it looks like this. Like, are you kidding me? I keep telling y'all. Y'all need to start making my recipes during the holiday season. Can you imagine your family there and you pull this out the oven and place it on your table? Really? But this is what it looks like. Look at the cheese pull. Super delish, not over salted. As you can see, I did not, super salt the potatoes. I only salted the water. I didn't put salt in the actual mashing of the potatoes, so it's not over salted, but so just be careful with your salt. But this is what it looks like, you guys. It was so delicious. Now it's up to you how much bacon you want to use, okay? But this was really good. I hope you guys give it a try. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.